how to chat with Revolut support. So before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to revolut.com, or you can simply open the app on your smartphone. So as you can see right now, I'm on the Revolut website. So all you have to do is simply scroll down and then simply click on the contact button at the bottom of the screen, and then you're gonna get redirected here, and here you can see different ways that you can basically use to contact the Revolut support. So as you can see, the fastest way to get answers to your question is through their help center. You can find their questions there, and you can basically get some help there. Now, if you want, you can basically use the live in-app chat support. So if you need to talk to an agent, the best way to contact them is through their in-app chat. So simply tap on your profile, the circle icon on the upper left corner, then simply select help, and then simply choose get more help and contact us. And then basically you're gonna be able to start talking with a live agent, and then you can simply ask them for whatever you need. So basically that's all you have to do in order to chat with Revolut support. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.